Good morning, my dear students. Today we will discuss about the third assignment problem. Okay, so by Hungarian method, by what we are going to solving this assignment problem third is by Hungarian method. Okay, so the question is given like this: a department has a five employees with a five job to be performed. Okay, five jobs are there, five employees are there, and each job you are assigning one person. Okay, the time is given in hours and each man will take to perform each job is given in the effectiveness matrix. Okay, so they are asking what the how should the job to be allocated for the each contact person, that is each contractor, and it must be it must should have a one per employee so as to minimize the total number of man hours required to complete the job. Okay, five jobs are given, five persons are there, and you have to assign each job to each person so as to reduce the total cost of this given project. Okay, that is the given work. Okay, so here they given job 1, job 2, job 3, job 4, job for you, and the contractor person or the worker person or employee person is given Sujay, Pawan, Prasad, Mohan and Hari. Okay, so first step by Hungarian method is to reduce the what row reduction method. So find the minimum least value from the each row and subtract that value from remaining element. Okay, so from job number 1, if you consider row, the least value is 5, next row is 3, and next row least value is 2, and next row least value is 7, and next row least value is 4. So what we given that dark, no, that is the least value after reduction. So you got a new matrix, that is new modified matrix I had shown in the below second matrix. Okay, so just to assume that 10 minus 5 is equal to 5, and 5 minus 5 is equal to 0, 13 minus 5 is equal to 8, and 15 minus 5 is equal to 10, and 16 minus 5 is equal to 11. So like that you go on do it up to job number 5, that is you got a new modified matrix. Our aim is to get a 0 for each row, that is our aim. So for that purpose we are doing the row reduction method. Okay, second, once you finish the row reduction method, go for column reduction again, column reduction procedure. Okay, again same, find the least value from each column. I already shown here the dark digit is in least value from the each column. Okay, in first column Sujay least value is 0, in Pawan 0, Prasad 0, Mohan also least value is 0, and Hari is also having a 0 marks. Okay, that is 0. Okay, so subtract the least element from the remaining element, so you will get a new matrix, that is 5. So 0 means in every column it is all are 0 there, so write as it is. Okay, so if any value you are subtracting from 0 means you will get same. Okay, so no need to think about too much. Okay, write as it is. Okay, so after reduction method, go for assigning the job. Okay, so what is the procedure for assigning the job? So each row should have only 1 0 and 1 0. Okay, now that is the main purpose. So that square box is symbol for assignment problem. Okay, so for job 1, look at that row, observe that row, so only single 0 is there, assign it. Okay, and draw a vertical line for Pawan. So Pawan is not coming to picture for the other job. Okay, again come for the second row, so here also 0 is there, single 0 is there, assign that. Okay, next third row there are 3 rows zeros are there, no need to assign that. Okay, and job number 4 also 2 0, and job number 5 also single 0 is there, that is for belongs to Mohan, you assign it again. Okay, now so come for vertical, in Prasad there is a single 0 is there, you assign that, remaining zeros are make it cross mark. Okay, so this is the assigning the value. So after this, so they same they are related line. Okay, after this you check whether the given solution is optimal or not. If not optimal, again do the further procedure by assuming different procedure. Okay, so how to assume, how to the given problem is a optimal or not means, just to check number of square box is equal to number of rows. Here number of square box is 1 2 3 4 are there, and jobs 5 are there, so it is not optimal solution. I can go for the next step. So how to check the undeleted column or row, you find the least value and subtract that least value from the undeleted points. Okay, so here undeleted lines is 4 2 2 6 4 5 2 6 and 5 8. Among these 2 is the least value, I think. Okay, 2 is the least value, so that 2 value you subtract from the undeleted lines, that is 4 minus 2, 5 minus 2, 6 minus 2, 2 minus 2, 5 minus 2, 8 minus 2. Okay, and add that element where the lines are got intersection. So here 8 is intersection, only 8, and here 5 also intersection, 10 also intersection. Okay, now so after interaction, after intersection, if you go and add means you will get a new matrix like this. Okay, 5 is the intersection point, so 5 plus 2 is the 7 again, 8 is intersection, 8 plus 2 is 10. Okay, so 4 is unrelated by subtract, 4 minus 2 is equal to 2 here. So second matrix is a modified matrix. Now you assign for this again. Okay, in the first row, so same matrix I wrote here. In the first row, only single zeros are assigned, that for belongs to power, and second row, only single zeros are assigned, that also. Okay, in job 3 there are two zeros are there, don't assign, and job are not assigned, and job 5 is single zero assigned that. Now come for after assigning a row and come for the vertical column. So 1 2 is already assigned. Come to Prasad. In Prasad, only in vertical column there is only single zero is there, just to assign that one. Okay, and come for the last Hari is also having a single zero in vertical column, assign that. Now check the given solution is optimal or not. Okay, so how to check? Here the number of square box is equal to number of rows. So here number of square box are equal to 5 and number of rows are 5. So the given problem is optimal. Now you assign. So already each job you are assigning. Okay, so write on the next answer. Your answer is job employed time. Okay, job, first job 1, job 2, job 3, job 4, job 5. Job 1 you are assigning a, here see the rectangular box Pawan, so right here Pawan. So job number 2 you are assigning a Sujay, right here Sujay. Job number 3 you are assigning a Hari, right Hari here. And job number 4 you are assigning a Prasad, you mention here Prasad. And job number 5 you are assigning a Mohan. So after this, time is given in the given question. For at job 1 Pawan value is 5 is there. Okay, if you want to check, means check job number 1 in the given question. Here see job number 1 Pawan, second assigning value is 5. Like that you have to write all the value here. Okay, so here job number 1 Pawan time is 5 and Sujay time is 3 and Hari's time is 2, Prasad's time is 9, Mohan. So this is about the uh, assigning each job to each work person. So how to carry out the total time required to complete the job is just you add 5 plus 3 plus 2 plus 9 plus 4 is equal to 23 hours man. Okay, 23 man hours is required. So this is about the Hungarian method of assignment problem. Okay, I hope you understand this problem. Thank you.